Hi, welcome back. How about we do some griddling? Sounds good to me. It's Wiener Day. We got some all beef hot dogs made with beef brisket. Yay! Um, you can see if you look out there, there's no stores nearby. It's like 20 minutes each way to the nearest grocery. And I didn't feel like getting hot dog buns, so we're using hamburger buns. He's insane. I know, just crazy talk. But first, we'll put the wieners on. What do you say? Wieners. All beef hot dogs. Let's see if we can figure out how to open this package. I'm not sure I've got the combination. La da 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 da. It's just being a pain. Okay, there we go. I'm opening it this way because I want to split open my wiener without having to take it out of the package. I'm being lazy. So, splitting them down the middle because they'll fit better on the buns. And here comes my lovely assistant. Hello, lovely assistant. She's home from work, hiding from the camera. She's prettier than I am. I don't know why she should be doing this. So, we got some split open wieners. Let's see, we might be able to do this. Turn that side to low. She's just come from a hard day at work. I'm allergic to dirty words like that. Dirty four-letter words like work. This is work for me. Still not making a penny off of it, but I'll get rich any day now. I just know it. Okay, we got split wieners. What should we do with the split wiener? Maybe add some veggie oil. How's that sound? And maybe get 2 sandwiches out of that. Maybe. And let's make it interesting. Cajun seasoning. And a little bit of mesquite. Just to give it that steaky seasoning. Taste, flavor, something. That's the theory. May be right, it may be wrong. I don't know. What do you think? A little bit more? Let's go a little bit more. Although, middle ones, yeah, they're getting beefy and cooked. Ooh, it smells good too. Yummy. Look at that. It's revolting. The pheasants are revolting. I guess the birds aren't revolting. Pheasants are revolting. The wieners are revolting. Let's add a little bit more safety seasoning on this side. And they're cooking up quick. So, what should we use? Maybe some ghee? No. Let's go with not enough oil left in the griddle. So we'll just add a little vegetable oil, which if you look up margarine, it's basically just vegetable oil with flavoring. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Could be I completely made up that fact. You'll never know. Can't prove it. Right, Baja? Okay. These are coming along nicely. The buns are doing something. Look how quick. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Ta-da! Do some fancy spatula work here. Ta-da! Back up spatula. As in back up, Mark's got a spatula. Oh yeah, look how pretty. Just look at that. We can turn that off. By the way, if you missed it, I replaced the broken or the burnt out igniter, and boy are my arms tired. No, it works so nice now. It's actually better than the original. I'm so proud. I fixed something all by myself without making it worse. First time for everything. So, let's take a look, shall we? How to take wieners from on a hamburger bun, make it work. Don't those look yummy? They smell good. That mesquite seasoning is so perfect. So anyway, that's it for today, y'all. Thanks for watching. Come back and see us sometime. See you next time. Bye!